big Ford guy here. Well, we're ready to tear the 72 apart. So we're gonna pull it in the garage and start taking the back of this off, which we already took a few bolts off. He's pulling her in. So we're taking that end off. We're taking that one off.
Okay.
To put this one, I don't know if you can see it, that's a tail light right there on. But we're hoping it'll fit. I think the only thing we do is take the thing off. But yeah, I think it's going to fit. And if the cars will get painted anyways, I just like the 71 rear tail lights when I do the 72. But my car is, I mean, she's running good, so I'm going to just redo her. She got a little bit of rust on her, but we're just going to repaint it and everything. So let's get it backed in and we'll go from there. So we're getting ready to pull it in. So it's the first time it's been started in a few days, but there's no seats in it. We got the seats out of it because we're doing the floorboards. The floorboard had a little rust on it. So just waiting for them to start it and back it in. Yeah, I like the 71s better. I like the 71 taillights better.
Get the red apple drink.
Let her warm up, she's cold. But that's how she sounds out the back. So as soon as we get it in and we start tearing it apart, I'll record more. But we're going to take the bumper off and we got half the taillights unhooked and I'll be back in a few minutes. So we got it in. I'm sorry about the noise in the back, but got the kerosene heater running because it's a little chilly out. We got it in. We got to take 2 bolts from this side and 2 bolts from that side. My frame's a little different on this, so it's not as hard to get to. But it's going to take more than 2 guys. I lay down there with them. And as soon as I get this off, I'll come out with another video and I'll show you what we took off. So give me a few minutes and I'll be back. Alright, so we got it all disconnected, the bumper, this side to that side. We just got to unhook the harnesses now on the inside of this, which he's trying to do now. Getting the harnesses for the tail lights plate. We're just taking our time doing it just in case something happens. I can put this bumper back on and put it back together. But as you can see, the bumper is disconnected. Then we gotta take the pillars off. And this car's never been apart. Never. This is the first time this car's ever been touched. Just time to do it. As you can see, the trunk got rust around the back of it, inside of it. So it's gonna be all redone. Doing everything. You see the rust over there in the corner. See all the rust? That's got to be all taken care of before it gets too bad. So, let's try to get these wires off. What he's trying to do. You can see the wires down there. He's trying to get off. The other side's done off. That's one. You got one side. There's the plug-ins to them. There's 2. Then he's got the middle one for the plate. Right down there. and then she should be ready to come off. But it gets a little, if your camera gets a little jiggly, it's because I'm trying to help her off the bumper. Right now we're hoping everything will fit. It's got the in-dashes. Underneath this, there is, I see in-dashes for the 3 lights. So, I don't know if Ford used the same body style in the back, or we'll show you as we go. Get back here. But yeah, I like the 71 taillights better than the 72s. So, got 2.
That's gonna fall either way.
Oh, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I guess you already took that side off.
Yeah.
The corner tail. Right there. Those are different than the other ones, but hopefully we can get them to fit. Trying to get that back light. The plate light right there. I'm gonna have to do some drilling holes, I think. But we'll have to see. That's what he's trying to get right there, guys. It's the plate wire for the rear plate. I mean, it's not going to be an easy job, but that's all the wiring. We can just take this and lay it flat on its face back there when it comes out. Oh, let me get back here. Hold on. What do I need anyways? I just put over my knee.
Whole harness is out.
The harness is off, the tail light's off. Let's see if we can get them off. There she is. She's off.
There's your indents for
There's-
71.
And there's the indents for the 71. As you can see
Pretty
it,
much.
you can pretty much see them.
The only difference is.
We gotta lay this on its face. This way on the rubber
The only
bumpers.
difference you can see is this doesn't come put this.
Over here. We'll try to put it right there. Move those, let me hold this. Move those heads underneath the car. I got this. Move that shit and we'll lay it there upward.
You want to lay it.
Sorry guys, I mean to jerk the camera, but there it is. It's off the car. And as you can see, you can actually see the 3 indents for the 71 kind of. So we will find out very quickly. I just scratched the bottom of it probably.
It doesn't matter.
Slide the heater up there.
Rivet it up.
What is? We can unrivet that if we got to.
Well, you gotta have to, because this is separate.
And the tail corners he's already got off. He's got that tail corner off. But I'm gonna help him get the situated around and see how far we're gonna go with it. I'm gonna try the other stuff on it too, might as well. I mean, the rest is easy to figure out what we gotta do. So I will be right back, and anything we measure, I'll get on film for you. You know what I mean? But she's off. So give me a few minutes, and I'll be right back with you. So we're back. This is what we got. We got the trunk lid on it. We just set everything up. It's not everything's not tight. We got 4 bolts on the bumper, but that's the way it's gonna look off the 72. There's still a few adjustments we gotta make. We still gotta get all the welds out of the back. And right here, as you can see, this is off. Right there. It's because on the 71s, let's turn the light on. These right here are in more this way. The 72s are out more. But what we're going to do is just probably end up putting dents in it or cutting slits where this will go in and drilling holes for it. But she's close. And that's the way it's going to look. I mean, the trunk lid fits. We lined up the trunk lid. I mean, the whole car's will be painted back gold anyways over the winter. But yeah, she's going to, I think she's going to fit. I mean, I'll still record us. We would probably drill out on the 71 the spot welds for the centerpiece that's got to come out. And we'll work on this after this one's all apart. So we're going to take a break. get going, we'll start drilling those out and I'll make some more video. And like I said, I don't think anybody's ever done this before. Change a 71 to a 72 or a 72 to a 71. But yeah, we're going to do it. It looks like it's going to work. Only thing now is get the lights in it. And once we get the lights in, I'll tighten everything up. The bumper I'm not worried about. This is all going to be re-chromed. And I got some work to do like on the bottom quarters. I don't know if you can see it. See the bottom quarters? This car's never, you got to figure this car's never been touched. So, at all. I've had the car almost 20 years, never touched it. Just drove it. But we're going to do the whole thing and we'll be back in a few. So we're going to pull the 72 out, or yeah, the 72. And we're going to start working on the welds on the 71. But yeah, I'm going to like that a lot better than the 72. So we're going to pull this out. We'll start working on the welds. And everything lined up with the trunk lid. Looks good.
That's good.
So looks sharp. But let's fast forward and I'll start working on the welds on the other one. Okay, so we're back. We're starting to drill the welds out in the 71. To get that piece off. Because we need that whole back piece and I think the piece behind it too. For the lights to fit into the trunk. And once we get this, we'll take this and go to the 72. We'll get it welded. And we're making progress. Like I said, I don't believe anybody's ever done this with a 72 to a 71. I think we're the first guys trying it. But I don't want to bore you with all this. Let me take some more welds out. If we get this off today, I don't even know how far we get. Or if we get it off, we'll go next. So, let's fast forward.
Start to move.
Okay, we're back. So we got this side, you can see the spot welds. We got them mostly all off on this side. There's gonna be some down there. I had some other things to do today, so I'm gonna have to stop where I'm at. But I'll probably tomorrow I'll be back at it. I'm not for sure, 100% for sure what we got going on, but I have some more welds and stuff to straighten out on it. But we'll keep you up on the videos. Like I say, subscribe. If you ain't subscribed, you like what you see, don't take much to hit that little subscribe button. Please subscribe. And this is Big Ford Guy saying I'll see you on my next video.